Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Shruti Shami. Today I'm going to present you with prawn coconut curry. This curry is very delicious and has a finely balanced combination of spices, tamarind, tomatoes and coconut milk which gives it a rich texture. So let's move into the recipe. To a heated pan, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cup of chopped shallots. You can also use onions, but shallots would taste better. Saute for a few minutes, then add in green chilies. I'm using 4 green chilies cut to halves. Next goes in chopped ginger and garlic, almost 1 tablespoon each. Saute until the shallots are golden brown. While this is happening, I'll give a brief introduction to the other ingredients. 500 grams of prawns, 1 big tomato chopped, 1.5 tablespoon of tamarind juice, half cup of grinded coconut and 400 ml of coconut milk. Now the shallots have started to change color. Make sure there is enough oil before adding spices. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Saute until the raw smell of spices goes off. Next goes in the tomatoes. Stir and cook the tomatoes until it's soft and mushy. Add salt to taste. At this stage, add in the grinded coconut. Stir for 1 minute, then add in the prawns. Cover and cook the prawns for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, get ready with your coconut milk. I'm using canned coconut milk. You can also use homemade fresh coconut milk. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. You can see that the prawns are well cooked. Now next goes in the tamarind juice. Saute for some more time and wait until the gravy thickens. At this stage, add in the coconut milk. As you can see, the addition of coconut milk has made the gravy more thick and rich. Allow to simmer for a few seconds and finally garnish with curry leaves. So the delicious prawn curry is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice or rotis. So I hope you all will try this at home. If so, don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you for watching.